shock. But nung nalaman na this guy is actually doing this in his life, siguro lahat is all in support talaga for him na sana maging successful yung ginagawa niya for him.
Ako, pag natapos niya yan, bilib na bilib ako sa kanya. Di ba? Kasi bihira lang may lakas loob na umagat sa ganyang kataas na building eh. Hindi biro yan eh. Sa kalahati pa nga lang eh, nangangati na yung talampakan ko pag kahit nasa loob ka na dyan eh.
There's a pile of stress on me, but I can handle it, you know. I know that once I will be starting the ascent, I'm just going to be thinking only about the ascent, and I'm going to be completely focused. It's just like a kind of dream, you know, I pretty much like climbing all over the world, and then I've never climbed in Philippines. You know, I came in Philippines 20 years back. I found the people nice, smiley, cheerful.